So today I will tell you how I generated a brand promotion video of my startup. So so I mainly used Spaces, the new drag and drop video builder that Freepik just introduced. So here you can see my creation. So if I click on that, so so you can see this is all about the visual editor. If you can zoom in, you can see that my first node started with a text node. So that basically explained that I used an image of an Indian Muslim boy, and after that, so basically I created an character image first, and then that I created different scene image using that character image. So you can see that I use this character image, and after that, and I divided it in different parts of the video scene. So you can see that. So at first, I created an image scene where the man was praying. So it will be my first scene of the video, and so I created 3 or 4 image of the same scene so that I can get accurate result. And after that, there's another scene, and where that man was seen having breakfast alone, kind of depressing, right? And that, and after that, I created another image scene where I created it using that using that character image and then text prompt. Write this. You can see that actually. So that text node going from them. So it's connected text to text, and it connected image to image. Right? This was my character image, and I just attached to it. So it can generate. So I generated 4 image like of it. So and I took the best one. You can see that I choose this. I You can see that I choose this image, and after that, and after that, I created another image where the man was seen scrolling scrolling his phone, where he found an app called Wemus. That's basically my startup. So I wrote the prompt, and I attached my character image so that I can get that images. If you see, if you can see, I also attached the app UI skin, and I deliberately mentioned that you have to use the app UI skin in the mockup of the phone, and it actually used it, right? So you can see here, and the last scene of the video, actually the photo. So I am generating the photos first. So at the last scene, uh, the scenes goes like that the boy founded a woman that who is supposed to be his wife, and they are playing together. So the whole idea I came up with some ChatGPT skill and my mental thought. So yeah, it was a pretty good experience with Freepik, sorry, right? And I generated that. So that's not alone, I think. So you can see right now that whatever I generated the images. Now I will convert that into an images. sorry, into the videos, right? So you can, if I can go up, yeah. So at first, right, so I choose the best image, right? I think this is the best. And if you go, if you just do that, so there will be an video generator node. So I choose that in this, right? So I am not doing that again. So I connected that image into a video generation prompt, and another text node. I so I basically write this text. Not, actually not me, the ChatGPT does, and I just copy pasted it. So I used a text node, and it connected through the text prompt of that video. So I used Kling 2.5 model. So it is basically a not actually a free model. So if you use the $30 plan of Freepik, you can have unlimited model of Kling 2.5. So I generated that video, right? So this video is coming from this image, right? So first video sense is done. So we are going to second video, right? So in second video, in second video image, so we choose this image, right? Because it is actually looking good. So in that, we also going we also use the same strategy, right? We connected an video generation prompt, video generator node, and after that we add a text node, and we attached both to this video generation prompt. And we we use a minimax value of 2.5 2.3. It is also an unlimited model. So if you use $30 plan, right? So I just created it within 10 seconds, and it's actually good, I think. So we can see that. And after that, yeah, you can see it here. No, not really. Yeah. So coming back. Yeah. So coming to third image scene, we use this image and connected to this video generation prompt, and use this text node. So it is seen that a man was walking alone in the night of Eid, where other people are hugging each other, and he is basically alone. So he feels the needness. He feels the need of having a partner. So the story was coming from this end. So yeah, you can understand. So after that, I created the video using Minimax Helio, and after that, he found an app like which was intended to our app, like we must that we are working on it. So after that, uh, you can see. So after that, actually this one, yeah. So after that, we use this image. So that was coming from this text, and we actually copy pasted this app UI image to it. So it can reveal the actual app within the image, and it did it. So if you can see, right, yeah, so you can see Wemus, and this is exactly the same app UI of our onboarding. If you go to our app, and if you register first, if you try to register, you will see this page, right? So after that, we have to create the video of this image. So we took this image, and after that, yeah, so right after that, uh, actually we took this image and connected to this video generator prompt and this text, right? So yeah, so it is generating this video. So actually we have to fine tune the final video, the actual video, after editing it, so it looks awesome. So we will cut out the next part, right? This clicking and this part, I will cut out it. So after that, we also use we also fine tune another another UI skin of the app, right? So if you can see, after clicking the button, the man should come to this profile, like the actual profile of the app. Like he is seeing some profile of the app, like here it is written Sarah, so he is seeing Sarah, right? So we generate that image, and after that, after generating that image, we converted it into a video, right? So if you can see that, yeah, so we converted this video, yeah, where he is working, where he is seeing her profile, right? And we used to 1 2.2 model. It is also 3 model. And after that, at the last video scene, yeah, so we use this image where we can see they meet, they got married, and they are playing each other together. So for that, I use this prompt, wide, slow, wide cinematic shot of a young Indian Muslim couple. You can actually read it here. So after that, yeah, so it is actually doing it. Actually, you can create lot more video, like you can fine tune the prompt of your needs, right? So if at first try the result is not expected, you can always try it again. So yeah, so all of the video generation is complete. Now Freepik also have an feature where you can combine all of that video and get a result, right? So if you can see it, I combine all the videos, and here, right, you can just see here, yeah. If you see, I got 5 videos, and I generated 5 videos. So I just combined that. But the problem of this node is it is not getting the result of what I wanted. So I had to download it and export the video file, and to CapCut or anything that any video editor tools you are using. So you can do that. So the for the post production of the video, you can use any editing software tool, right? So yeah, I edited that video, and I will show you the exact video of what the post produced video looks like.
फज्र की खामोशी में सजदा तो है, पर उस दुआ का इंतजार है। दुनिया की इस दौड़ में हमने सब कुछ हासिल कर लिया, मगर जब शोर थमता है तो एहसास होता है कि कामयाबी का रास्ता अकेले तय नहीं होता। ईद की रौनकें भी अब तन्हाई का एहसास दिलाती हैं। इस बार तलाश सिर्फ साथी की नहीं, एक नियत की है, अपने आधे दीन को पूरा करने की। वीमस, जहां तलाश सिर्फ एक साथी की नहीं, उसकी है जो आपकी दुआओं में शामिल हो सके।